Don't crunch it. You don't got enough teeth, so don't crunch it.
That don't make no sense.
I got